Okay, I look crazy, but what's new? So I just picked up birth control. I'm with my friend Krishna. Say hi.
Oh, hey guys.
Look at you knowing how to say hey guys. He's a doctor. Holler if you're interested, 6'3" surgeon. Day one starts today, birth control. And then after 2 weeks of this, I do the hormone shots for 2 weeks, and then the retrieval happens. I feel a little nervous. I know that sounds a little silly, like more of my friends do take birth control than don't, but I guess because I've never taken it, I don't know how my body's gonna react to it. I have friends who tell me that their skin has cleared up from it, they've gained weight because of it. Like, I truly have no idea how my body's gonna react, but what I'm trying to tell myself is not to focus on anything besides this process and getting through it in like a mentally healthy way. So funny, you should have heard my mom when I told her I was taking birth control. She was like, isn't that for the people who are sexually active?
That's so funny.
We're kicking this process off like for reals. So it begins. And what time is it? Just so I make sure I do this every day.
It's time for you to get a watch.
Am I really doing this to have one of these one day? This better be worth it. Hello, my people. Okay, so today is December 20th, and I am starting up birth control again. I'm now doing the procedure mid-January, basically because of the holidays, it got a little wonky. And I'm doing birth control to really ensure that the date of the surgery is within the window that the doctor is saying that it will be. I was not okay when I took birth control for the first time. I was hysterically crying for like no reason, multiple times a day. I had to like cancel meetings, I had to cancel interviews. Man, I really didn't feel like myself. So I stopped taking birth control on the 15th, and then I started my period. I'm currently on my period right now. And now I'm starting this back up again, and it's only for a couple more weeks. By the way, I'm told that the birth control is the easy part, and wait till I have to do the shots and take the shots myself. It don't sound real fun. They told me that this birth control maybe will be better for my body. I'll react better. It doesn't really have a lot of side effects, but you never know. I guess we'll find out right now. Hot Messica is probably coming back very soon. All right, it is January 2021. January, what day? What day are we even on? It is January 4th, and I am starting my hormone shots today for egg freezing. I feel nervous. The fact that I am privileged enough to even be going through the egg freezing process is something that I'm really trying to focus on instead of the fear of the needles. But anyways, I'm at Aspire Fertility right now. I know there's gonna be an ultrasound to look at what situation is going on there. And then on top of that, it will be my very first shot that they're gonna do. I don't even know where the shot will go, but I guess we're gonna find out the answers to all these questions. So here goes nothing. So today's appointment, to be honest, overwhelmed me a little bit because I went through actually learning how to do the shots and the injection. I thought I was starting them today, but turns out I'm starting them on Friday. Basically, it's all about your estrogen levels. I'll report back on Friday when I start the injections. I've been spotty with my period. I am constipated as hell. I am not looking forward to this first day. So luckily, my friend Krishna, say hi, Krishna. He's like a doctor, and I just was like, you know how to use needles, right? The process is like you have to mix some powders into some liquids. There's 2 different shots, and there's videos. So anyways, we're gonna watch this video, figure out how to do this. I just feel like I needed a friend. I was gonna go home, but I didn't want to stress out my parents. And so here I am about to watch this video on how to inject myself with hormones. Sounds real fun. Happy Friday to me. That felt like nothing.
That was nothing, right?
It's the lead up. Drawing blood is worse.
It's way worse, right? All right, ready for round 2?
This one's scarier, yeah.
You did great.
That one I felt just as a statement for the world to know.
Yeah, I think it's a slightly larger needle,
Okay.
the second one.
Thanks, Krishna.
Yeah, you did awesome.
I'll always remember, we did this together.
Yeah.
It is the day after my first hormone shot injection, and I feel sick, but like a traditional sick, you know? To the point where I went and got COVID tested and it was negative. I don't feel like any more tired than anything. I just feel like I have an actual cold. So I don't know if that's just life right now, you know? Or the hormone shots. But anyways, talked to my girlfriend. She's on day 10 of hers and she said she's starting to feel really down and tired. So I figured it's the weekend. It's like, Deepica, just relax, you know? So that's what I plan to do. Stay tuned. So yesterday I did my 3rd round of hormone shots and I gave myself the gonal one. I was still too scared to give myself the one that starts with an M. I forgot the name. So my friend Krishna did it for me and man, the one with the M hurts. Anyway, so today I go in to get blood work done to see how my body is. I haven't been able to That's a huge TMI, but if I'm gonna be honest about this, I'm gonna be honest about this. I'm gonna ask the doctor if that's a side effect today, but that's where I'm at and I'll report back after this appointment. What is going on?
This is the lining of the uterus here. And we'll be watching that as you go along. But what we're mainly interested in is the ovaries.
That's what those black circles are?
These little black circles are what we call follicles.
Okay.
They're fluid-filled sacs that we hope will all contain eggs. Once these follicles start growing, your estrogen will actually start rising. The doctor's going to decide how much medicine to give you based on your estrogen levels and the size of these follicles. Right now, they're not even measuring 10 millimeters. The goal is to get them around 20 millimeters.
Okay, wow.
And they usually grow about 2 millimeters a day.
This is fascinating. All right, from my understanding, from the ultrasound, my ovaries look like they're supposed to, but now I go get blood work. Every time I come in, I have to get blood work. They check that out and then tell me whether I need to up my hormone levels to get it to fertile as possible before the egg retrieval. So I'm gonna go do the blood work. They'll let me know tonight how much to take, and we'll take it from there. Everyone in my family is a doctor, and I can't look at needles or blood.
And you're like, I cannot bear to look at it. 1, 2, 3.
Not bad.
Not bad?
I feel like it's always, I psych myself out. I don't know how doctors do it. I don't know how nurses do it. I don't know how medical professionals do it. You're all heroes.
Thank you.
Real MVPs, man. All right, 2nd blood work drawn, done and done. We'll find out the results and I'll, I guess, do my injections accordingly. This is the first day Deepica Mutyala, I'm gonna be injecting myself with both needles. We found out that I've been using the bigger needle unnecessarily. I'm just kidding, it's not his fault at all. It's my responsibility. Today when I went in, they told me that there's a smaller needle I can use, so hopefully the Menopur one hurts a little less. Today I'm gonna do it in my thigh, and we'll see how it goes.
You got this.
I got this. Anywhere. Piece of cake.
Perfect. Beautiful.
That really hurt.
Do you think it hurt as much or less?
I think it hurt more for some reason. Maybe it's the area I did it. I don't know.
Could be.
Another day done and done. I'm a strong human. You gotta psych yourself up. Today I woke up feeling really, really weak, man. Like I'm in Houston and I want to like be with my parents, but I also don't want them to stress. There's so much to do work-wise, man. I'm trying not to be a hypocrite. Like I tell the team and I told myself in 2021 that like I was gonna listen to my body, listen to my soul, listen to my like personal like whatever to just not work, but there's so much to do. Another update that's really random is my hair texture has completely changed. And my hairstylist who came over, she was like, your hair feels like what people feel after they have babies. I'm just gonna take a little nap. Finally meeting Dr. Dunn. He's a real human being.
That's right.
So you were telling me it is normal for like hair texture to change. You're injecting yourself with hormones, so it could be possible.
Yeah. And what I was just also saying is that your estrogen levels are going to continue to climb. Where your estrogen level was the other day, which is around 200, is a good start.
Okay.
But that might mean you end up going a day longer than what the
Great.
Calendar,
More shots.
I try to give women a heads up on that, but I think you're doing good.
Okay, that makes me really happy.
Yeah.
Okay, here it goes. Another day. Day 1 of taking 3 shots. Not excited at all. Here I go. It's just scary because it's a new one. Okay, I have no idea what happened here. This can't be normal.
That's where I did the third shot. It like itches.
What is happening? All right, all right, all right. Let's do this, Deep. Ow. Ah, over this. Nobody talks about this enough. This is not easy. Okay, so this is kind of cool, y'all. Like, I am here doing my final ultrasound before I figure out like what day I'm doing the actual surgery. And the like embryologist, she's like the one that puts the egg and the sperm together and like creates.
She creates the magic, the
She
baby.
creates the magic in the baby. Anyways, it all goes down in this room right here, and I just asked for a little sneak peek to see it because it's kind of cool. Like, this is where all the bacon happens. Can you explain what you do?
After we retrieve the eggs, we keep them here because we can keep an eye on them.
So this is what, like, I'm paying the monthly payments to keep them frozen
Yes,
here.
yes, that's correct.
And then they stay here until I'm actually ready to actually have the baby.
Inseminate. We monitor who comes in and out. If anything happens to the tank, like if it was open, it will notify us on the phone.
Cool. Can we see anything?
Yeah. So this room.
Oh, whoa.
This is the lab.
Whoa.
So when you come to retrieve, you'll be on the other side of one of those doors.
That's where I'll be to get my
Yeah,
egg
on the
retrieval?
other side. So we'll be standing on this side with kind of like a baby incubator. So
Yeah.
that's what we use, and the incubator keeps the same temperature, the same gas, everything mimics the uterus. So we put them in there for 2 to 4 hours. Depending on the quality of the eggs, if we see that they're a little bit immature, then we let it wait a little more, so give more opportunity for the eggs that are not mature to have the opportunity to mature.
Oh.
We try to get all the fluid out of the eggs and introduce them in a cryoprotected. So that's what preserves the egg.
Could I do this at like 45?
Yes, you can freeze them infinity and beyond. Let me put it that way. As long as they're in liquid nitrogen, they can stay there.
They're in here?
Yes, they're in here.
Eggs are in here.
Eggs,
Multiple
embryos,
human people's
yeah.
eggs are in there.
Yeah.
What?
So we organize them by location. So you this is our monitor right here.
Oh.
So this is our monitor. So it's all under liquid nitrogen, and each one of these contain canister.
Oh
and then
my God.
we
Those are
designate
eggs.
each patient for a number.
Oh my God, so I will be a number in
Yes,
there.
you will be a number.
That's pretty dope. Thank you for showing me that.
Okay.
Tonight I take my trigger shot, which is something you take 36 hours before your surgery. And this is all becoming real. I'm just grateful that I am taking control of my body and making this decision for myself, and I'm not letting anyone else make this decision for me. I made this decision for me. And that feels powerful. And that's what I had to share. I guess it's time. This is my trigger shot. I'm told it doesn't hurt any more than the other ones, but this is what you take 36 hours before the procedure. It's 7:50. I'm supposed to take it at 8 o'clock, so here goes nothing. Done and done, I did it. Ah! Hold on, I'm taking my shot.